Why does your scanner show the P0223 engine code? What does it mean? P0223 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle or pedal position, sensor or switch be circuit high. It indicates that the ECM has detected voltage from the TPS to have exceeded the acceptable range of voltage. This can happen for multiple reasons, and a mechanic needs to diagnose the specific cause for this code. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults. Faulty throttle position sensor, damaged or broken wiring harness, malfunctioning throttle body, misaligned throttle position sensor, faulty pedal position sensor, failed engine control module ECM, damaged or corroded electrical connections, short circuit in the wiring. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error appears in any vehicle with a throttle position sensor, TPS, and pedal position sensor, PPS. Commonly comes in Toyota vehicles, Nissan, Mercedes, Ford, and Chevy vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.